Hey guys, today I'm going to be talking about my 4 favorite tile designs that I've created recently using our stencils, so let's get right into those looks. To start off, we are using our modern Lozy line stencil, and this can create a really nice diamond shape on any plain tile. And for this look, I used 3 colors, a base of light gray, and then for the stenciling, I used white and a darker gray, and it was really nice having those 2 different colors, and it came out great. Next up, we have our ice diamond pattern, and this is a really nice, simple design, and I loved the little pop of teal that I used in this look because sometimes if a room is just full of white, maybe a pop of color on the floor, like really subtle, could be nice, so that's why I love this look a whole lot. Next up, we have our flower embroidery tile stencil, and this is a really adorable stencil full of a bunch of small little dots to make up the pattern. And I just did a white stencil on a gray tile, and it just kind of created a really simple yet super cute and sweet kind of design, and I loved it. And lastly, we have our Jerez de la Frontera flower tile stencil. And this look was a little more intense than the others. I went in with a stippling effect to create the middle flower, and I just think it came out super cool, but is definitely a little more time consuming. I hope you guys loved these 4 designs as much as I did creating them, and if you would like to explore some more stencils, you can head over to our website at stencilmepretty.com. There's loads of tile designs, wall stencils, or even stencils for decor projects. Anything DIY, you can find it at our website for stencils to add to all of your projects. And if you want to check out our Instagram, you can head over to stencilmepretty. And that concludes today's video, and I hope to see you guys at the next one.